Hallo, guten Tag. My name is Farooq. In this lesson, we will learn how can we ask about repetition in German. We might be, a new learner and we don't understand everything. Either we are in class, maybe in day-to-day life. So we can ask, very politely uh, for a repetition. So we have mentioned here 10 different ways that you can use to ask for repetition. So the first one we have wie bitte. That means how please. You can say I beg your pardon. Pardon means I don't understand. Can you please repeat it? The next one we have Entschuldigung, noch einmal bitte. Excuse me, could you repeat that please? Or you can say noch einmal bitte. Again please. You can say one more time please. Bitte ein bisschen langsamer. A little slower please. Langsamer means slower. Ein bisschen, a bit, a little. And that is basically a polite way to ask someone, bitte ein bisschen langsamer. Nummer 4. Das verstehe ich nicht. I don't understand that. Das verstehe ich nicht. And number 5, we have that is, können Sie bitte wiederholen? This is a formal way. Can you repeat that? In German, there are formal and informal ways, to communicate with someone. Formal means that we are basically very polite, or maybe we're giving respect, to others. So the same question we can ask informally, that is, kennst du wiederholen? Can you repeat that? So können Sie, when we mention Sie, that means we are going to be formal, and if you use du, that means informal. So the both means you. This can be used as a singular and plural, and this can be used only as a singular. The next one we have können Sie bitte langsamer sprechen? Could you please speak slower? And the same question we can ask informally. Kannst du bitte langsamer sprechen? Can you please speak more slowly? And number 7 is was bedeutet. What does that word or that concept mean? And Nummer 8. Können Sie ein Beispiel geben? Can you give an example? Or you can say, kannst du ein Beispiel geben? Can you give an example? And Nummer 9 is, können Sie das bitte nochmal sagen? Could you please say it again? Kannst du das bitte nochmal sagen? This is informal. Could you please say it again? And the last one we have, können Sie das aufschreiben? Could you write that down? Kannst du das aufschreiben? Could you write that down? So these are formal and informal ways basically. And you can practice them and you can use if you don't understand anything, either you're in class or maybe you are in day-to-day life. So that's all. Dankeschön. Auf Wiedersehen. Tschüss.